They're tiny, they're adorable, and they're about to make you laugh. Welcome back. Today we're watching kittens turn ordinary moments into complete chaos. Let's see how much trouble these little ones can cause. These kittens really know how to test their mom's patience.
Hiring? Aren't you hiring the right candidates to see your job? You know what you did, Shane? Oh!
Sibling rivalry starts early in the cat world.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? I'm scared.
Și să-mi iei pliculeț cu iepure, că mi s-a luat somon și vită, mai du-te și...
Oh, he's not happy.
We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures.
Shake.
Merhabalar efendim, klinik günleriniz nasıl geçiyor?
You are literally the most...
É bravinho, mãe, mas é fofinho. Kenny.
Who are you talking to? Bring it. No, God. No, God.
Zoom, 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 zoom. I'm zooming in my room. My zoomies are forever. My zoomies all together. Zoom, zoom.
All that energy, and now it's completely out of battery.
I'm scared.
Wow, that was a big meow.
Hi. Are we hungry?
Are you gonna help me clean? You are? Oh.
Don't do it.
Do not back talk me. You be nice.
He does this. My working theory is that
Good boy. That was a high tip.
Hi, baby. Oh my God. I want to grab it. Look at it.
What are you doing?
What?
Gonna bring it. No, oh God. No, God.
7 of you in there? I only see 6. Oh, there's 7. Hi.
And somehow, these kittens are just getting started.
Oh my God.
Do you want to eat? Okay. You're not that. No, let go. Baby.
Ah.
Are you serious?
They're small, they're cute, but clearly they're running the entire house.
Wonder?
That's all for today's Kitten Chaos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
Oh, what's up, son? What's up, Sting?
If you're happy, let me know. Say, If you're happy and you know, say meow.